Yo, this is David coming at you from Puerto Rico, and you're watching
I see a sky with a radio car, but I'm not running. I see a train moving
4K footage. I picked up a shirt from HQ today. Sorry I didn't vlog what I was in there. I just figured it'd be kind of boring for you guys always seeing my work. I'm inside the Tesla. Nice and cool. Hey, you guys know you can pre-cool this car down. I know some of the newer cars have those apps too, but the Tesla has this really cool pre-cool feature, and it learns your habits in the morning. So you can actually just wake up and it's already cooling your car down because it knows this is the time you go to work. You got the banner? Yeah. Did you see it? Heavy? Hey, send me a picture. Okay. Okay, bye.
There's a red wide body bag GTR.
I'm chasing it.
Myself, shit could get menacing. Make it TPD, huh? Thought I was gonna run DMC, huh?
I picked up.
Hey, good morning. Aaliyah, say hi to the camera. Hello. 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 No. No. You guys are probably too young to know Mike Jones.
Who?
Mike Jones.
Who?
Mike Jones.
Back then they didn't want me. Now I'm hot, they all want me.
Before I came up in the game, nobody showed me love.
Who?
You're too young. How about Paul Wall?
Swisher, house, big pokey, Empire Wild, baby. It's the people's champ. I'm something like a bowler.
Really? Last day with us?
Unless you let me live with you guys.
Hi.
Can I roommate with you?
Nope.
Can I?
Nope.
Yeah. It looks promising.
Nope.
Yeah.
No, we are in the city of Rancho Cucamonga. Is this Victoria Gardens? Victoria Gardens, super nice if you guys are local. The idea is I wanted to do happy hour, but there's no happy hour, so I'm gonna drink anyways. What do you do on a Tuesday?
Hey baby, just walking around today, enjoying the sights.
Martin's, if you guys haven't been, pretty good. Happy hour sick, comes with a beer and a meal, but unfortunately it's not.
Hi.
Vicente over here has to drive in like 3 hours. You're not down to have a drink?
I'm down.
You're down.
There was a bet right there, or like a dare.
Yeah, it's good there on camera.
On camera. Oh
Everybody-
no.
Yeah, on camera too. Guys, check this out. Look at the banner. That's a huge banner. It goes on the outside of the escape room.
Cheers.
Tuesday.
Driving
Tuesday.
home.
Yeah.
So I might have to miss my flight to drive you home.
As you guys know, I'm from South Sacramento. As you know, she's from South Sacramento. Let's hear a hood story really quick.
And I lived in a duplex with 3 other roommates, one being my brother and another being a couple. So I come home around 10 p.m. From a long day of work or whatever, and I look at the door is wide open, and there's clothes dragged out, clothes, cell phones, like hangers, random things. So I for sure thought someone broke into my house. So initially I dialed 911, but my thought process was somebody broke into my house and that's not okay, so I'm gonna go show them what's up. You broke into the wrong house. So I go in, and when you look in the front door, there's the living room and there's the kitchen. So I saw the coast was clear, and so I go straight to the kitchen. I grabbed 2 knives, I put them in my back pocket, and I grabbed a pair of scissors. Mind you, I still had 911 on my phone.
Thank you.
So I go through, the first door is locked still. I go look at my room. My room is totally fine. I go look at my roommate's room, which I've never seen her room before. I don't go in my roommate's room regularly. So I'm looking, her room's tore up. Like dressers are flipped upside down, the bed's flipped upside down. And I was like, oh shit, someone fucked them. They left, So then I go, and then my brother comes out of his room, and he's like sleeping, and I'm like, what the hell happened to our house? And he's like, what do you mean? Come to find, our roommates, the couple, are in the car doing the do, and I guess they got in an intense ass argument, and that's what happened. But the moral of the story is, I walked into my house thinking somebody broke in, and I was ready to to go to jail instead of calling the cops. No, this is like an upbringing, okay? This is a pride thing. This is a you're in my house, so don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me.
Yo, you dated a crazy chick.
Southside.
Well, I had 911 on my phone, so just in case something did happen and I was on my like last breath, I could call, you know, like click, you know, but I couldn't go out like that. But imagine if I did call and I didn't check and then they came and it was nothing. That would have been dumb too, you know what I mean? They would be wasting my fucking time like that. Oh, sorry, I don't know if I could cuss on your thing. Yeah, moral of the story, Southside, gang gang.
Yeah, she's a crazy one.
Oh, I needed this.
Crazy. We got some shrimp, guys. As you guys know, I'm a big eater, unfortunately. Hence why we have to actually work out. Shrimp linguine.
Well, Mike, what's going on there? We're on the second beer.
Oh, damn.
Oh, he came back.
All of a sudden,
He came back.
well, I wasn't watching, so maybe you tossed it on the side. I already clocked out of work.
I
Ain't got
know.
no job. What am I clocking out of?
It's 1:44.
Dang, paying for Uncle Mike. Y'all bougie.
Hey, just let me move in. We'll call it even.
Can I get a steak to go, though? Can I get a steak to go? So that I'm sufficiently full and buzzed, we will walk around.
Come here, baby.
Let's go. Let's take pictures. Come on. Come on, let's take pictures. Come here. Stay there. Take pictures. Why you always squat when you take pictures? Why are you so Asian?
Asian squat.
Up. Wave.
Go get this lady some shoes.
Oh gosh.
I think she wants some more. Some of the Coke ones that got spilled on the plate.
Oh jeez. What are you doing?
Looking.
Only looking?
Really looking.
I'm not a shooter, but I'm white top popping, straight hot boxing. I stay clinic copping. Seems like I'm in that motherfucker almost every
A little
day.
while ago, I actually considered doing a little pop-up shop right here. One of these gazebo things. They're just stupid expensive.
What are you doing?
Nigga gotta smoke, I won't never stop blazing. Eyes looking like I'm a motherfucking Asian. Gotta pack a bowl on.
I think she squats because I'm squatting.
I think, yeah. We all
Fan?
Yep.
What? Which one?
Raiders, baby.
Raiders.
Die hard.
Raiders. Look at pictures. I don't know why she keeps backing up. Beep, 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 beep. This is a weird way to take pictures. Come here, babe. Come here. Do you want ice cream? Ice cream. She said ice cream. Let's go get ice cream. Let's go get ice cream.
Come on, Mama.
Let's see this battle.
Best out of three. Best
No,
out.
that's it.
They only got that one on
Punk
camera.
ass loser. Punk ass loser. Let's go get some ice cream.
Oh, yeah.
Baby, let's go get some ice cream. Come on.
You want ice cream? You know you like ice cream.
Ice cream. This is a nice one.
Stoner with my friends, I'm not a loner. Mary Jane a cold dime, so you know I'm finna roller. A nigga gotta smoke,
21.
I will never stop.
Cookie.
You're picking. Dude, she wants to hold it. Keep on.
Anti-diet. I'm up.
Mint Monster, tell me, how's it? Yeah? What the hell?
No, actually, this one's really good too. Hey, baby.
She took all my ice cream.
It's good. It's like a heart attack.
I think you do.
Want a bite?
You want a bite?
Oh.
Leah? She is like asking for ice cream. Hey, Jeep Scheme. Hey, try Mama's. Aaliyah, where'd you go?
Jimkin.
Here. Oh, that's a big scoop, eh? Oh, no.
That's the same amount of.
Hey, she eats it like that guy on YouTube.
I'm gonna invert the spoon. Cover all 9,000 taste buds.
Oh, gosh. I could get used to this stuff. This? Drinking and lunch. You get used to this life?
Oh, yeah. It's comfortable.
Oh yeah, it's satisfying. Just let me move in.
I gotta go too if she goes.
Look at this.
I like this ice cream, I just don't like the nuts in it.
In your mouth.
What is that? Yeah, sunglasses? Let me see.
Aaliyah, let me see. You have like 45 of those balls at home. Do we look alike? Look, put your glasses on. Oh, look, she's putting on her forehead like I do.
Oh, really? You just shopping? Oh, yeah.
You know, just out on the town shopping. Oh no. I have 16% battery life left.
What happened?
First, some idiot spills Coca-Cola all over my new shoes, and then some idiot left their baby poop on the ground, and I stepped in it. Fuck! Uncle Mike, buy me new shoes, please.
Ha! On you now, bro. I thought it was Leo snoring, but it was a grown-ass man on the back. It's been probably a solid 3 hours since we've been out. We're trying to make a decision if we should go to the gym or if they should start driving home because they've got a solid 6-hour drive. Over here playing footsie. They are into some weird shit. Sometimes in life, you need to pick me up.
Brain on drugs. There.
How do you know so much about this? I think out of like 6 solid vlogs, it's just all eating. All eating. Well, we got tacos. I'll show you guys what we got. Which one was that? Oh, the grilled one? See where this rumor's coming from, but supposedly John bought a Type R. Coincidentally, it's right here.